The International Red Cross and Red Crescent is the largest humanitarian aid movement in the world. Whenever emergency, disaster, or conflicts occur, the Red Cross is there to help. These situations are extreme and highly visible. Here in our corner of the world, we don't see events on that scale, and the public impression of the Canadian Red Cross work here in Nova Scotia is muddled. People think they know who we are, but often don't know what we do. Sure, we help you or your kids with swimming lessons and water safety. You may have learned your first aid and CPR through one of our programs, and we make a difference through violence, bullying, and abuse prevention efforts. Our reach extends to the young through our youth groups and to the needs of the aging through our health equipment loan program and senior services. And we're involved in emergency and disaster services too. Our volunteers have extended their reach beyond our borders, such as the earthquake in Haiti, Superstorm Sandy in the USA, or floods and wildfires in Ontario and Western Canada. But it's eye-opening to consider that in recent memory, there have been 122 mid to large-scale events right here at home. Apartment fires that leave numerous families homeless, forest fires that threaten and damage communities, floods and increasingly frequent and severe storms, and other natural disasters have called on the Red Cross in Nova Scotia to react. To those affected, it's a world turned upside down. Looking back, each emergency is memorable to us. In 1998, the Swissair 111 disaster brought tragedy to our shores. In 2001, 9/11 had its local impact as we welcomed and assisted some 7,300 stranded air travelers. In 2003, Hurricane Juan reminded us all of the consequences of severe weather. In 2004, White Juan reinforced the lesson. Floods, fires, train derailments, armed standoffs, storms, gas leaks, and more happen. And the Red Cross in Nova Scotia stands ready with your help. 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. Our staff and hundreds of volunteers are ready to respond and remain on the ground. Since 1998, we've provided 55,000 people in every region of Nova Scotia with emergency aid. From lodging, food and clothing, to simpler things like flood cleanup kits, to personal care supplies, to some 15,000 warm blankets. And over that same time, we've helped 180,000 Nova Scotians cope with illness or injury at home, free of charge through our health equipment loan program. We are the Canadian Red Cross, and we need your help to be ready.